Today we're going to showcase Lithium's Ceramic SLAM Shield. 16 ounces for 39 bucks. That's about average right there for a lot of these ceramic spray toppers. This can be also used as standalone protection, advertised to be able to withstand Mother Nature for 6 to 8 months. Application is going to be easy if you keep in mind that a little bit truly does go a long way with this. You're going to know, especially on darker colors like this, which is why I chose this color and a darker panel for later on to test the product. If you use too much, you're going to see it's going to be blotchy and streaky. So a little bit, 1-2 sprays into the microfiber applicator or onto the panel, especially after the applicator has been damp, and you can probably do the whole entire hood or an entire roof with just that little bit of the product. Wipe off immediately, go on to the next panel, and it's as easy as that. Okay, time for the first person view, and just a little squirt into the microfiber. You're going to see just how far this goes. No need to wait for hazing. Wipe off immediately. And that's going to be it. Leaves a nice, glossy, protective surface behind. Let me get around the car. Again, you can see the whole entire fender here with just one squirt into the microfiber applicator. After it's been dampened for the first couple of uses, that's more than enough. Then wipe off immediately. In no time at all, you're around the car and it's starting to cure. Give it 24 to 48 hours and it will look fantastic. Okay, let's get some numbers behind what we're seeing here. And we're going to be looking at numbers hovering around the mid 90s to closing in on the upper 90s. Anything in the 90s is going to draw a lot of attention to the surface of your car. Okay, let's jump over to the test panel. And we're going to drag one in out from the back of the shop here. Let's clean it up. Any type of testing, you need to prepare the panel properly. That's going to be cleaning it, washing it, decontaminating, one way or another, however you do it. A polish, at least a one-step or a cleaner polish, and then hit it with an IP solution or panel prep, and we are prepared to do some testing. All right, we have the test panel ready to go. It's clean, it's naked. Let's get some gloss meter readings before we apply the product, and after we'll get some more readings, see if it's made a boost or a jump in gloss on the panel in the test area here. .9 gloss units on average as a whole for the test area. Let's get the product applied. It's going to be 2 coats. Again, you could spray directly onto the panel if you want to. You have more control if you spray directly into a microfiber applicator and spread it out from there. With the ceramic SLAM applied, we're going to give it the proper cure time. As you can see, the time and date when we take off, and then we get back to working on this test panel. With plenty of time to cure, let's get some readings. A nice little jump, hovering around the mid-90s. Once again, anything in the 90s will draw a lot of attention to the surface of your car. It does make the area feel a little bit slicker, so let's test this as well. Very good, greatly increasing the slickness. We can move outside and take a look at durability and protection and beading. As you can see, some nice tension on the test panel there. Nice beading. You can see exactly where the protection is and where it is not applied to the test panel. That'll bring us to the 10 wash tests. If you've been following the channel, some have made it to the 3rd, 4th wash. Some have made it close to the end, 8th, 9th, 10th wash. Some have made it through to the next round of testing, which is the traffic film test. Let's see where this product stands. No problem whatsoever with the 10 wash test. Let's move on to the traffic film test. We've had a couple that have made it through 2 or 3 rounds. Anything after the first or second round is going to be oppressive, especially following the 10 wash test. So let's see where this product stands with the traffic film test. The traffic film consists of everything you would find out on the roadways with cars. Every car leaks something, guys, even if it's just moisture from the tailpipe, which includes a lot of carbon, especially rubber mixing in with it from wear and tear on the pavement, the cement, and the macadam. And when it rains, it all mixes together, splashes up on the side of your car, and that's exactly what this mix is. This test is extremely hard on the chemicals, and just like out on the roadways, those type of chemicals all mixed together are very harsh for your vehicle. That's why protection is important. And you can see after the second round, it is really starting to break down more of sheeting, but that doesn't mean there's no protection behind. That just means the elements within the formula that make water bead have really worn down. So let's just keep going until we see slower sheeting. And that will take care of Ceramic SLAM in the third round, which is very impressive. So the strength of this product will be its durability, its ability to withstand chemicals and environmental issues. It's average or a little bit above when it comes to gloss, slickness, and beading. I'd like to see the price come down a little bit, but a very good product to recommend.